Welcome to our today's lesson. Today we are dealing with problems on parallel lines. Having learned that if two lines are parallel, then their gradients are equal. If L1 is parallel to L2, then gradient of L1 should be equal to gradient of L2. So that is the information which we should have. So we are given that the line L2 passes through point -37, and the equation of L1 is y7y is equal to 3x. So for us to solve, we must first express this equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So we have 7y is equal to 3x. So we divide both sides by 7 so that we get y is equal to 3 over 7x. In this case, our c is 0, and therefore this is a line that passes through the origin. Because the y-intercept is 0, the x-intercept is 0. So this line is passing through point 0, 0. And therefore the gradient of this line is now the coefficient of x, which is 3 over 7. So gradient of L1 is 3 over 7. Therefore, gradient of L2 will also be 3 over 7. So we are given one point that the line passes through. So being given 1 point, and we have gradient, so it is passing through point -3, 7. We take a general point xy, and we use these points to now find the gradient. And we say that gradient is change in y over change in x, which will now be y minus 7 over x minus 3, which is plus 3, should be equal to 3 over 7, which is the gradient of that line, since they are parallel. Therefore, we have 7y minus 49 is equal to 3x plus 9, and therefore 7y is equal to 3x plus 58. So we can leave that equation at that point. So we've got the equation of the line L2 that is passing through -7, -3, and parallel to the line y is equal to 7y is equal to 3x. If you look at number 2, we are told that the line is passing through point 0, -3, and is parallel to the line whose equation is 2x plus y is equal to -3. So we can write this equation 2x plus y is equal to -3 in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore y is equal to -2x minus 3. So from here, we say that if equation is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, then m, the coefficient of x, is the gradient. So gradient of this line is now -2. Therefore, the gradient of the line which will pass through this point is also -2, since they are parallel. So so for us to get equation of the second line L2, which passes through point 0, -3, and has a gradient of -2, so we say gradient will be change in y over change in x, and that is y minus 3, which is y plus 3 over x minus 0 is equal to -2. So we have y plus 3 is equal to -2, and y is equal to -2x, and y is equal to -2x minus 3. So that will be the equation of that second line. For the third case, the line is now passing through 5, 2, and is parallel to the line whose equation is 5y minus 2x minus 115. So we express this in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, so that we have 5y is equal to 0 minus 15 is equal to 0. So we have this one as 5y is equal to 2x plus 115. Therefore, we divide both sides by 5, and y is equal to 2 over 5x plus 115 divided by, that is 23, right? So what is the gradient of this line? So the gradient of this line is now 2 over 5. Therefore, the gradient of the line which is passing through point 52 is also 2 over 5. So line L2 now, it is passing through point 52 and its gradient is 2 over 5. So we take a general point xy and the given point which is 52, then use them to find the gradient. So y minus 2 over x minus 5 should be equal to 2 over 5, and therefore 5y minus 10 is equal to 2x minus 10, and therefore 5y is equal to 2x, because 10 minus 10 plus 10 will be 0. So that will be the equation of the line. Now, having traveled with us up to this moment, we now encourage you to subscribe to our channel if you feel that you've gained something tangible.